If you're seeing an itch.io error 522, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes you can try right away to get the site loading again. Error 522 usually means the connection between your browser and the server is timing out, so the problem may be temporary rather than something permanently wrong on your device. This quick guide is perfect if itch.io is not opening, pages are loading forever, or you keep getting a timeout message when trying to access the site. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more fast tech fixes and step-by-step tutorials. All right, let's jump in. The first thing to do is refresh the page on itch.io. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary server delay, and a simple refresh is all it takes. If the page still does not load, wait a few minutes and try again. In many cases, the server may be down or experiencing heavy traffic, and the error clears on its own once the connection stabilizes. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can make a timeout error look like a website problem. Try opening a different website to see if it loads normally. If other sites are also slow or not working, restart your Wi-Fi router or switch to another network if possible. A stronger connection can often fix the issue immediately. If you are using a VPN or proxy, disable it and reload itch.io. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with the connection and cause a 522 error. Once you turn them off, refresh the page and see if the site loads properly. This is one of the most common fixes, especially if the website was working before you enabled a VPN. Another helpful step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, cached files can become outdated or corrupted, which may prevent websites from loading correctly. Go into your browser settings, clear the cached files, and then reopen itch.io. After that, try loading the page again. In many cases, this removes the stuck data causing the error. If the issue still continues, try using a different browser or device just to confirm whether the problem is with itch.io itself or with your current browser setup. You can also wait and try again later, because error 522 is often caused by a server-side issue that is out of your control. So to recap, the main fixes are to refresh the page, wait a few minutes, check your internet connection, disable any VPN or proxy, and clear your browser cache. These simple steps solve most itch.io error 522 issues without needing anything advanced. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.